I was able to make this much money straight to my PayPal account using this simple and easy method. Do you also want to learn this amazing method? The method that I am about to show you guys is very simple and easy to do. It's available worldwide and this method requires no upfront money to invest, which can potentially lead you to making a ton of money per day. Another great thing is that it's passive income. This means that you will be able to make money while you are asleep or while you are out there doing your own thing. So if you're interested in making money online using this incredible method, make sure to watch this video till the end, and I will be sharing the step-by-step method of doing all of this. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel because we are sharing simple and easy ways you can use to make money online with the comfort of your home. Also, leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions related to today's video, comment them below and I will make sure to reply to you as fast as possible. So the first thing we need to do is come over to Digistore24. You can use any other affiliate program you want like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, etc. But for this video, I am going to use Digistore. After that, click on this register button, which will take you to this page over here. From here, fill out all of this information and create your free account. After that, come onto the top bar and from here click on Marketplace and then All Offers. As you can see over here, there are a lot of digital products that we can sell to people in order to make money online. There are many different products in every category. There is health and fitness, animals and pets, education, etc. For this video, I am going to choose the fitness niche as it is the most profitable one. Again, you can use this method for any niche you are in. Now simply come over to this tab over here and from here select Earning/Sales. This will show you the list of best products which pay you the highest amount of money per sale. And as you can see, this is the first product that comes up. It's called Advanced Bodybuilding Program. As you can read it here, we will make $66 per sale we get. And if we come over here, you can see that the cancellation rate is also very low. This means that this is the right product for us to promote. Now that we have our product, let's move on to the second step. For the second step, go on to idplr.com. This website has a ton of free ebooks that you can download for free, and then you can sell those ebooks and keep 100% of the profit. This website has over 6,000 ebooks, over 1,000 videos and a lot more stuff that you can sell absolutely for free without having any trouble. Now all you have to do is come over to the top bar and then free products. After that, click on this free ebooks button and it will take you to this page. As our affiliate product was in the health and fitness niche, we will select fitness and training from here. And then it will show you a huge list of ebooks that we can download for free. Now simply select a ebook that you think will match with your product. As I have already chosen this book. Now simply click on it and then from here click on this download button, which will download this ebook to your desktop. After that, find your ebook that will be in the folder and open it. Now what you will have to do is go back to Digistore24 and copy the affiliate link of your product. Now come back to your ebook and from here paste your affiliate link after every chapter or page of your ebook. In this way, when the person is reading your ebook, he will come across your affiliate product. After that, when they click on your link, they will be taken to the sales page of your affiliate product, from where if they buy the product, you will make $66 per sale. Now all you have to do is share this ebook on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. and start bringing traffic to your ebook. So as you saw, this method was very easy and simple to do. You can repeat this method over and over again and make a ton of ebooks with your affiliate links. Then start promoting them on different social media sites, and in this way you will be able to make a ton of money online absolutely for free. Just before I end this video, make sure to leave a like on this video if you found this video helpful, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Here are more awesome videos that you can watch. They will also help you in making money online. So click on the one which you prefer the most and I will see you guys in the next one.